Okay, so our administrative officer can magpantag. Sige, ikaw na lang, Father, si Angie. Proxy daw para ma-complete ang buwan. So for the officers, board of directors of Bangsamoro people, na may nakabuan na video, thank you. Community livelihood agriculture cooperative. So by the way, thanks for Dato Permit Haman as a barangay captain of Bitongong to Malinaw sa Water Network. So please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Okay? I state the name, have been elected as position, state your position of the Bangsamoro People Livelihood Agriculture Cooperative. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties and responsibilities to promote the objective of our cooperative. Uphold the principles of cooperation, abide by the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, the rules and regulations of the Cooperative Development Authority, and the bylaws of our cooperative. I will promote unity, transparency, and participatory leadership for the benefits of our members and our community, especially the Bangsamoro people and the rest of Zamboanga people. So help me God. Inshallah. Okay, congratulations. You are now officially recognized as officers of the Bangsamoro People Community Livelihood Agriculture Cooperative. May your service be marked with high dedication and unity. Please start tayo lang kay picture taking para di-mention natin. Please, kita yung makakuha ang picture. Thank you. Then, nag-shake hand naman mo ni Gano, kapitan ng Dato Amla. So, muna yung photo. Ready? 1, 2, smile. Thank you once again and congratulations to our board of directors. So, nasilgo ko ang ato ang oras sa among radio advance to the Griffin Unit. It's 12 o'clock. So, sa itong video pa, kita mo, kaon-kaon siguro. Wala usually para ato lang sundan ang ato ang General Assistant.